Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever part of the world you are in. I wish you all the best to encounter the global pandemic called Corona. We are all in this together, as we know. And this is a situation wherein we all are facing so much of restraint, so much of constraints in our personal and professional life that it is becoming a new normal now. And as a human being, we are trying to cope up with the situation as we had done in the past with the other endemics and pandemics. And I'm pretty sure that we will also be able to pull this through together. I am Mahesh. I am part of Hamara Music Group, which is based out of Eindhoven, the Netherlands. And I've been nominated by one of the founding members of the Hamara Music Group, Dr. Mohan, to carry further this TTK Smooth Challenge. He has been a real sport with respect to helping the corona patients. He is a doctor and he has been contributing immensely towards the corona patients' recovery and well-being, imparting his medical knowledge and medical skills. In addition to being a medical doctor, he is also a very great human being at heart. And that was the main reason I accepted his challenge of this small TDK. Hamara Music Group is basically a group of musicians and singers. We are all amateurs. And we try to bring professionalism in our amateur singing and amateur music, whatever way we can contribute. We all are on smooth. And we would want to contribute towards the Corona initiative, which is being raised on Smool now as a TDK challenge. Not sure if you people have already met Corona, but I met her yesterday. So I was taking a walk in a park, and there I met her. I had a very short conversation with her. Maybe I can share what I spoke with her, and then maybe we all can get benefited. Please do share what I spoke to her. It was a really great conversation. Yeah, I requested her to go away from this earth, but not sure if she would consider my request, but let's see. ए कोरोना कुछ तो सुन लो ना, ए कोरोना कुछ तो सुन लो ना, बहुत हुई मेहमान नवाजी, अब तो निकलो ना। ए कोरोना सुन लो ना, बहुत हुई मेहमान नवाजी, अब तो निकलो ना। लाखों जख्मी किए तूने, लाखों की जान ली, लाखों जख्मी किए तूने, लाखों की जान ली, दिल भर गया हो तेरा, दिल भर गया हो तेरा, तो अपना साजो समा उठाओ ना, दिल भर गया हो तेरा, तो अपना साजो समा उठाओ ना। एक कोरोना सुन लो ना, बहुत हुई मेहमान नवाजी, अब तो निकलो ना। किसी और का जरिया हो तुम, किसी और का जरिया हो तुम, तुम्हारी खता नहीं सबको पता, किसी और का जरिया हो तुम, तुम्हारी खता नहीं सबको पता। चलो इसी बात पे हाथ मिलाओ और अपने कब्र में जाओ ना, चलो इसी बात पे हाथ मिलाओ और अपने कब्र में जाओ ना। ए कोरोना कुछ तो सुन लो ना, बहुत हुई मेहमान नवाजी, अब तो निकलो ना। सार्स एड H1 और N1 का दौर जो आके गुजर गया, सार्स एड H1 N1 का दौर जो आके गुजर गया, जरा सोचो समझो, जरा सोचो समझो, तुम भी अपनी जान बचाओ ना। एक कोरोना सुन लो ना, बहुत हुई मेहमान नवाजी, अब तो निकलो ना। तुम्हारा एहतराम किया हमने, तुम्हें मशहूर कर दिया, तुम्हारा एहतराम किया हमने, तुम्हें मशहूर कर दिया। न देर करो, न देर करो, एहसान को चुकाओ, दफा हो जाओ ना। ए कोरोना सुन लो ना, बहुत हुई मेहमान नवाजी, अब तो निकलो ना। बैठा के चार दीवारी में रख दिया है हमें जैसे, बैठा के चार दीवारी में रख दिया है हमें जैसे, वैसे ही तुम अपने घर, वैसे ही तुम अपने घर को जाओ ना। एक कोरोना सुन लो ना, बहुत हुई मेहमान नवाजी, अब तो निकलो ना. Basically, I think we all are grappling with this situation, and none of us would want to live like a life of Rajesh Khanna in Safar, or maybe Shah Rukh Khan in Kal Ho Na Ho. Yeah. At least I'm not willing to sing this song ever. जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली हाय, कभी तो हंसाए कभी रुलाए, और हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाव है कहीं कहीं है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो. Maybe, and then when I was parting my ways with Corona yesterday in the park, I requested one last time to her while she was waving her hand outside the park. Corona, 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 हम सफर हमी को चुन लो ना, सुनो ना सुनो ना सुन लो ना, हमको अब मुक्ति दे दो ना. Thank you so much. With this, I would want to pass on this challenge to my friend Rajesh. He is also part of the Hamara music group, and he has been really mesmerizing us with his sweet voice and soulful songs. So over to you, Rajesh, and I will sign off. Take care, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at home, please.